the mask and get the little bits of hair that we missed. So in the area, if I zoom in using the magnifying glass, we can see the areas here. There's also areas right there that we need to turn. So now we're going to use the Edge Refine tool, and we're going to have the size of 20 and the hardness of 100, and we're going to go and pick up that hair that's missing. And we also have to scroll down the loop of the hair that falls over the back of the shirt, which is this area right here. I'm going to zoom in, Command plus to zoom in with our quick key. And they're recommending that we have the size of our brush to 15. And I'm going to go right here, and we can see the blue coming between the hair. So I want to bring that up. And if we look at black and white, we can see it perhaps a little bit more clearly than on the layer. So you can use your quick key, Command minus sign, or Command Option to zoom out, Command plus to zoom in. You can also use the magnifying glass on the left side, the zoom tool, which is quick key Z, as in Z.